Hey, pancake lovers! Today we're making a breakfast favorite with a chocolatey twist, chocolate banana pancakes. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, sugar, salt, mashed bananas, milk, egg, and chocolate chips. First, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, sugar, and salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, mix together the mashed bananas, milk, and egg until well combined. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Don't overmix. Gently fold in the chocolate chips into the batter. Heat a skillet over medium heat and scoop a quarter cup of batter for each pancake onto the skillet. Cook until the bubbles on the surface begin to pop, then flip and cook until golden brown on both sides. Serve with a drizzle of chocolate sauce and slices of fresh banana on top. And there you have it, delicious and fluffy chocolate banana pancakes. Enjoy! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.